It's Throwcount, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. We're here at the vendor expo. There's real estate. We're at a real estate club. There's real estate investors and vendors all over the place. We have legal services that we offer. So we help you when you call with legal advice, legal issues. It's unlimited. We'll write letters and make phone calls on your behalf. Imagine an attorney's letter has like 55 attorneys' names across the top. It basically says we're coming to get you. We'll do a contract and document review. Lawyers prepare your will. We do traffic-related issues. Trial defense, in case you're sued. We have lawyers at the IRS audit. They'll go for you or with you. We do 24/7 emergency access. Come visit us. Lois Throwcount, ladiesofjusticeleague.com.